This is a Sunbeam LED power failure night light which was available from Costco. When it used to work, it works very beautifully. You can turn it on, it gives you a blue color. It also has a motion sensor. It also has a torch which you can use when there's power failure. The model number for this light is WTG-016 B. I have another one, but this one does not work. These lights have been in the storage for 2 years. Looks like the rechargeable battery is very good. It's still holding good power, even though it's not charged in the last 2 years. This one is discharged. It does not have any power. However, the charging unit on all these lights are broken. I did a search on YouTube. Forums from Australia and Britain shows that there is a resistor, R4 resistor, which burns out, and then the charging unit stops working. It charges via induction, so I will see if a wireless charger can charge this light. So when I connect the wireless charger, and let's put this light on, it looks like a cell phone wireless charger may be one answer to recharge the battery and make this light useful again. Let's try this other unit. I think this one is completely discharged. So this is the motion sensor switch. Let's turn it off. I'm not sure why this thing is flickering. Okay, it looks like it has to be in this position in order to start charging. Let's open this unit and see what's burned inside here. So the 4 screws are covered by these 4 rubber boots which come off easily. And then we will unscrew it. I'm thankful to the manufacturer that they have used screws to put these 2 plastic things together instead of using a glue. Taking it out of glue is more difficult. Okay, so here's the circuit board. This is the back end. Nothing is printed on this side. This is a magnet by which the light attaches to the charging unit. Okay. Looks like we have the same issue as the consumers in United Kingdom and Australia, that this R, resistance number R4 gets burned out, and we need to replace this resistor in order to make it functional again. There are a few capacitors, diodes, and this is the induction coil which charges this light wirelessly. I was able to find this at the FCC website for the coil description. Looks like input power for is 1.8 watt, primary coil has 50 turns, secondary coil has 30 turns, and it needs a distance of 4 to 8 millimeter in order to charge the light. If we look at this picture, it looks like this is the resistor that gets burned out. It's R4, and based on the color code it looks like it's 1.2K. So I'll try to order it, and in part 2 of the video we'll replace the resistor and see if we can bring this charging unit back to life. Again, until I received my R4 resistor in mail, then we will take this out and solder new resistor in there, and hopefully we can use the charging unit again. I will also try to create some holes so that resistor does not get too hot, air can flow in and things can remain cool. Thank you for watching. This is all for today until we get the resistor in mail and make part 2 of the video. Thank you.